Normal yachts are boring. Tech billionaires are buying transforming cyber yachts. Meet the world's most extreme luxury megayacht that actually changes its shape on the water with just a single tap on an iPad. The military-grade carbon fiber sides expand outwards, turning this sleek boat into a massive floating mansion. It features a hidden swimming pool, a private helipad that slides out, and autonomous AI steering. Would you party on this shape-shifting fortress? Comment below and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech.